Is your app also crashing on your iPhone? Here's how you can fix it. So in here, for example, my Facebook is crashing out a lot. So what I'm going to do is try to update my Facebook. For that, go to your App Store. And on your App Store, tap on the search icon right here, then get to the search page. And then from here, start typing Facebook. You can see Facebook right here. And then from here, you can see this is the application, tap on it. And currently, there is no update button because my Facebook is up to date. If your application do need any kind of update, there will be the update button. All you need to do is tap on it, wait for a few seconds, and your application will be up to date. So even after updating your phone, if it's still crashing, then try to offload the application. Simply go back and open your settings. And on your settings, scroll down, then tap on General. Then from here, tap on iPhone Storage. And then from here, scroll down and search for the application that is crashing out. For example, Facebook, tap on it, and then tap on Offload App. Tap on Offload App one more time and wait for a few seconds. And we have successfully offloaded the application. Tap on Reinstall App in order to reinstall it back in your phone. Again, wait for a few minutes. And just like this, here you can see we have successfully reinstalled it on your phone. After doing that, I'm pretty sure your app will start working, but if it's still not working, then try to restart your iPhone. For that, simply click on your volume up button, volume down button, and keep pressing on your power button until you see your Apple logo, and then you can release the button, wait for a few minutes, and your phone will successfully be restarted. But even after restarting it, if it's still not working, then try to check for any kind of iOS update on your phone. Simply get to your settings again, main settings. And in here again, go to your general. Then from here, tap on software update. Then in here, if there are any kind of software update requirement, there will be the option. All you need to do is simply tap on update now or update later according to your preference. And like that, you'll be able to update your software on your iPhone. So after doing all of these, I'm pretty sure your app will stop crashing and it will help you fix it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.